today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read a passage together. I want you to read the first two sentences with me. Follow the pattern as we say each word.
Today, we will read the passage, I am ready. Students, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the top sentence. Awesome work! Where do we go when we finish reading this line? We point to the line underneath. You're so smart! Now, tap along as we read each sentence. We will read each sentence 2 times. Follow the red dot as we read each word. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my hat. I put on my hat. I put on my scarf. I put on my scarf. It's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times.
You did great! How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word boots in the sentence? Can you sound out the word ready? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about what you need to get ready. You did a great job figuring those out. Now, let's identify some letters versus words.
We will look at this pattern and identify the letters and the words. First, how many words do you count? 3. I put on has 3 words. How many letters do you count? Did you count 6? I, P, U, T, O, N is 6 letters. Excellent job!
It's time to go over letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the letter that makes that sound. Which letter sounds like eh, eh, eh? Point to the letter that sounds like eh. Which letter sounds like w, w? Point to the letter that sounds like w. Which letter sounds like n? Point to the letter that sounds like n. Which letter sounds like B, B, B. Point to the letter that sounds like B. Are you ready for the last one? Which letter sounds like P, P, P? Point to the letter that sounds like P. Did you point to all those letters? If you pointed to E, W, N, B, and P, you are doing fantastic. Give yourself some shine. It's time for matching first sounds. We are going to choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is zipper. Zipper. Which letter does the word zipper start with? The word is heart. Heart. Which letter does the word heart start with? The word is cub. Cub. Which letter does the word cub start with?
Remember, matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we are going to listen to the sounds in a word and then put them together. Let's practice. Our first one is b-ig. B-ig. Put them together. What word does b-ig sound like? B-ig, big. Let's try that one a little bit faster. B-ig, big. Say it with me. B-ig, big. Now it's your turn. Which word sounds like un? Un. Put them together. Which word does un sound like? The next one is up. Up. Put them together. Which word does up sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. We are going to say each word 2 times. Then we will tap it out. And finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write it down. Our first word is the word tap. Tap. Say it. Your turn. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word tap. T, a, p, t, a, p. Tap. Which letter sounds like t? Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like p? Tap. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word tap. The next word is the word map. Map. Your turn. Say it. Map. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word map. M, a, p. M, a, p. Map. Which letter makes the sound? Which letter makes the ah sound? Which letter makes the p sound? Map. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word map. The last word is the word cap. Cap. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word cap. K, a, p, k, a, p. Cap. Which letter makes the k sound? Which letter makes the a sound? Which letter makes the p sound? Cap. Pause the video to write down the word cap. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow